So what's up, YouTube? We are here at Alex's. It is a couple days after Daytona Supercross, and on my drive down here I ended up getting a flat. So me and Alex, what up, Alex?
What's up, guys?
We drove to WMR today, which is a shop down here. Actually, here's a sticker of it right here. And yeah, they changed my tube for me. He picked up a couple new goodies from them, and we're gonna get this tire slapped back on the pit bike because Alex's neighbor, if you've seen in my last video I just posted, he ended up calling me out to a pit bike race. So,
fucking shit.
Yep, I got the screenshots right here. So I told him he didn't want no 110 lessons from me. So we'll, I guess we'll get this tire back on. We actually just stopped by there on our way in. He's across the street. He's been ripping his pit bike track for probably the day now. He's got the tractor out there making it mint. So he's got his practice in. He ain't got no excuses. So let's get this wheel on. We'll get over there.
I don't even need to shift it in neutral.
Nah. I mean, yeah, I just like to neutral drop it, but you can do whatever you feel comfortable with.
Yeah.
We missed it. Alex just hit the deck over there pretty hard. There's the kid's track. Alright, I'll put the camera down for right now. I'll just spin a couple laps. GoPro's still running. Has he hit this on a 110?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He hit it before on a 110, but before that fence was there, he just got a straight run at it and fucking launched the whole thing on it.
Do you think we can make this?
Yeah.
Huck it, Donz.
I was fourth gear tapped on this thing. It should make it now. Yeah. Even if you land up here, you're all right. He was gonna send you over it first, and then just putt around and fucking out.
That thing is butter.
give you a heads up. Cheating here.
No, it's...
Alright, so instead of coming over that hill,
Yeah.
they go in between right through.
I see that.
And they go right, that brings you around the outside and gives you a longer run at that jump right there too. I ain't saying either one's faster or slower, but
Yeah.
slower.
just very...
I was gonna say, let's get going. I'll give you a head start. Let's just start rolling.
Start. I haven't hit that thing yet. Let me hit that.
All right, I'll give you a couple laps. Oh God. He was asking me if I'm sure, if I'm ready. I'm hitting the jumps on the track before him.
It's fucking great to be 16 and just run your mouth and not give a fuck.
I love it. I'm just busting with him.
We're just pissing off.
Here. What up? Let's keep that pace going. I don't know if he's got the pace today. I mean, if you want, I'll do a 2-hour moto if you want that.
Oh, shit.
That's in your lane.
I
Oh, no, they just turned out of here.
That's a lot of people ask, how do I stand up in my turns? The technique, ain't it? You're doing good though, you're doing good. Props, I like your place. We'll get Logan on the YouTube, everybody. This is Logan. He's the one sending me the DMs, Alex's neighbor.
Ready for this?
Alright, you want to throw this race down?
Yeah.
Let's bring the smoke. We want it. You got a pipe, you got a clutch. You got the whole nine over there.
Got a 140 big one, get it.
Alright, so what do you want to do? 3-lapper?
How many?
3-lapper?
Yeah, let's do 3.
Let's do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Thanks for the footage, Alan.
It's so soft over there.
There you go. That's how you make it onto the Donzi Dambrosa YouTube channel. Call out probably one of the fastest pit bike riders on YouTube. And I come to your track and make you do some homework tonight.
Yeah, start training.
Got whooped in the GNCC, got whooped on the friggin' bike track at the house.
I appreciate it though. I like a little competition, you know, there's nothing wrong with it. I know you like it too.
Oh man, your dad is not forgiving.
You have to slap those 50 bars on. I let him take this thing for a spin, and he thinks that's my key to riding like a scooter, standing up. So maybe we'll have to take a trip back here before I leave.
Yep.
If we got those 50 bars on, we'll give him a round 2. We'll give him a second shot.
At his own track.
Yep. Just to be nice. YouTube videos ain't a joke. We're ripping in these videos, man.
Better luck next time. Time to bring her in the mod shop tonight. Huh?
Time to tear her apart.
He'll be out here till midnight fucking working on his bike. Changing bars and putting different tires
Getting it set up right.
Well, I ordered my stuff.
I think this feels like Donzi's. We're almost there. Guess I'm gonna head back over too. Get some water in there.
Some YouTube editing.
Yeah, I got some YouTube video editing to do. Get you up on there, you know?
So you're gonna watch this?
Yeah, I'm gonna watch it, alright.
He's gonna watch it.
He's gonna be studying those GoPros.
He needs to borrow that GoPro so he can see what was going on.
Alright, man.
Alright, see ya.
I'll see you. I'll hit you guys up. Sweet place. Let me know when you get those bars changed. I'll come back by.
Change tonight.
They'll be changed tonight. That's how you put it to them real quick, you know? Well, that is going to wrap it up for this one. Going over there, giving Logan a little bit of the sauce. So if you guys like this one, give it a thumbs up. I'll be in Florida for the next couple days. So if you're watching this, drop something in the comments below. If you want to rip some pit bikes, big bikes, jet skis, whatever the case may be, give me a location. Maybe I'll pop out. So catch you next time. Peace.